Assembling the WE130. When you get the WE130, it's going to come with a blue base. It's already going to be attached to the degree bar with a vise key and a depth key. You're going to get your cam lock vise, 1-inch cap screw, and your guide rod assemblies. And those guide rod assemblies consist of the thumb screw, L bracket with a jam nut, the ball joint, and the guide rod itself. To start assembling your WE130, you're going to take your blue base, and you'll see a hole here in the top of this channel, your cam lock vise, and to make sure that the vise is properly aligned in the blue base, you want the vise lever to be on the same side as the Wicked Edge logo. And I find that the easiest way to assemble this is to move the vise lever out of the way, flip the vise upside down and let it rest on a surface, and then flip the blue base over and set it on top of the vise. And this channel that the vise sits in is designed to be a really snug fit, so you may have to kind of slide it in there from the side to get it in there, and it should be aligned perfectly with the blue base. Then you take your 1-inch screw, and in the hole you can start tightening that by hand, and you'll notice on the bottom here there are going to be 2 holes. I put the screw in the outermost hole because it's the only hole that's going to go through the blue base and into the vise itself. So once you get that finger tight, you can take your vise key out of the blue base and go ahead and snug that screw up using the vise key. And then the last thing that we're going to do here is mount our guide rod assemblies to the degree bar. So the correct way to put these on the sharpener is to have the L shape of the bracket facing towards the vise, or the ball joint also facing in towards the vise. You want to make sure that your thumb screw is screwed all the way out because the degree bar is going to go through this channel, this hole in the L bracket, and if the thumb screw's in the way, it's not going to slide nicely. So we're going to slide that on. This is where you would choose an angle of your choice and go ahead and screw the thumb screw down. And we'll do the other side. Again, making sure the L shape is pointing towards the vise, or that the ball joint is on the side of the L bracket that's closest to the vise. Slide it on to the angle of your choice and tighten that thumb screw down.